everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video. So today I'm going to do unboxing for PR and some things I bought this month and last month. So today I'm going to show you everything I bought. I bought a lot of things and I received some brands too. So I'm so glad to receive these products, and I thank you so much for every brand send me this amazing product. I'm going to start show you the products I bought. Okay, look at this. Oh my god, it's too much thing, I know. So first thing I bought for Doll Beauty. The bag cost £20 and I received four full size products. So first things, the mirror. A beautiful mirror. Let me show you. The packaging is very beautiful. Look at this. See? So beautiful. So, look at this. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I love it. The mirror is very big. You can see my face and the mirror. Yeah, the mirror is very big and it's very beautiful. Look at this, it's so cute. I have a contour. So this shade is available, is dark. So it's a little bit dark for me, but I try and I love it, and blending very easy. So soon I'm going to do a video testing everything, testing this makeup here, for you can see everything. This is the lash glue. Look at this packaging. It's so beautiful. You see? Wow, how beautiful this is. It's amazing. And next, I received the best blending brush. This is the box and the brush. It's very beautiful brush. I love it. It's a blending brush, so you can use for your concealer, your contour, your powder. It's very good brush. Next, move on. I have so many things. Plouise. I bought this. The box is very beautiful. Look at this box. It's so beautiful. And I got 3 things. The first thing I bought this here. This is the cut cover. This is very good when you do your cut crease. This is help you clean your cut crease. Look at this. Look at this. It's so cute. And the brush. I bought this brush here. I need this brush. This brush is so cute. Look at this. Look at this brush. It's very beautiful and I need this. Look at this. I don't have nothing like this. Nothing. This is perfect for your cut crease. This is amazing. I love it. The brush is amazing. And I bought this here. This is the paint cover. When you do your cut crease and you clean and you need to apply some base, this is perfect, because when you apply this and next you apply your eyeshadow, oh, Jesus, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I need to do a tutorial. We use this product. And I bought the shade one. Look at this packaging. This packaging is everything. It's so cute. I bought for Be Perfect, but I don't have the box. I bought this palette here. I think this palette is perfect for me because, as you know, I am a makeup artist. So, because this, you can see how beautiful this palette is. It's very neutral palette. I have the light shadow for dark eyeshadow, white for black, and here is cool tone, and over here is warm tone. So I don't have nothing like this. These colors, it's very beautiful, and I think it's perfect. When I want to do something very neutral, I have the perfect palette for this makeup, you know. So this palette, it's very good because of this. I bought this palette because of this, because of my work. I needed something like this, and I don't have something like this in my makeup collection. So I bought this, and I'm so excited to try. I'm going to do a makeup look here with you, and I'm going to use this palette here because I think this palette is very beautiful. Look at this, and I have this green here and this yellow. This is not yellow, but this mustard, you know, and this green here. I think it's beautiful. This eyeshadows here, it's very beautiful because it's a neutral, and I think it's perfect. And this here, I have a perfect transition shade. I have a light shade, and I have dark shade, and I have shimmer shade. So I have everything in here. So I'm very, very happy with this palette, and I'm so excited to use this because it's very beautiful. So just Be Perfect. I got this. Now I'm going to show you. The products I received for the brand. So the first thing, move on. Okay. So the first thing I received this box here for Ina, I think, or 3 Ina, I don't know. This is a new foundation. This is the new 3-in-1 foundation, SPF 15. I test this for my Instagram, and I need to tell something. It's amazing. Yeah. I received 2 foundation and 1 brush. This brush here, this is the brush, and this is the foundation. This is the foundation, and this is the brush. So you can see. So this brand now is available here in UK, and you can buy from your drugstore. So this brush here, it's very good brush. I don't have nothing like this, and I like it because the brush, it's very dense, you know, and blending very easy your foundation, and I love it. You see, it's same kabuki brush, but the format, it's very different. And the foundation, I received these 2 shades here. These 2 shades, it's very dark for me and very yellow. So, but I can't use. So the first shade is the shade 610. This is the box, and this is the foundation. Look at this, it's so beautiful. I love it. I love the packaging. The packaging is amazing, and a pump. I love it when foundation had a pump. And this is the 611. I received this book here, and I'm going to tell you. So this is a new skincare concealer foundation in one. I don't like it when you say skincare in foundation, because nails. So this foundation is 3-in-1. Is available in 19 pounds windless foundation with vitamin C and SPF 15, 12 hours long wear, water resistant formula, and medium blending coverage with a neutral finish. Thank you so much, Mina, for sending this amazing foundation, and I love it. Thank you so much. Now I have this box here. It's very big and very full, and the brand is I received this box for Sigma. Yeah, guys, and this box is very full. Let me show you. You can see it's very, very full. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I received this. So, first things, I received this rug for instant shade remover. This is the best seller for the brand. This is espresso brush cleaning mat, and everyone said this is wonderful. So now I have it and I'm going to test. And I received no one, no two, but I received this brush here. You can see I have every brush. Oh my gosh. I have face brush and eye brush. When I received this, I can't believe it. Really, I can't believe it. This is a very big dream and this is unreal. Really, this is amazing. Yeah. We have bronzer, blush, and highlighter. So, I have blush. This blush is the Sunset Kiss. It's very beautiful blush. The packaging is very beautiful. Look at this. Look at this packaging. You see? And this is the shape of the blush. It's very beautiful. It's a light peach. It's very beautiful. And I have a bronzer. I have a medium and a light bronzer. This is the matte bronzer. It's very very hard to open this box. So this is the bronzer. So this is the medium and this is the light. The difference is a little bit. This is the medium and this is the light. And the highlighter. Oh Jesus. This is the highlight. And the shade is Twink. Look at this shade. It's very beautiful. I love it. I have more things, so I have this one. This is the Hydro Lip Mask, and look like this. Lip oil too. Look at this. Look at this. It's very beautiful. I have a base, eyeshadow base primer, a tint brow gel. I have a palette. This is the box. It's very beautiful. And this is the shadow color. It's very beautiful colors. Look at this. I think this is a shampoo. Yeah, brush shampoo. It's very big. This is the 200. Yeah, 200 ml. It's very beautiful. Look at this packaging. Everyone talk about this. I never try, but I'm so excited to try. And the last thing, look at this. This is so cute, really. And this is the shade. You can see it's a corrector. Thank you, Sigma, for these amazing products. I'm very excited to use this, to try everything. So thank you so much for every brand sent me this product. And I thank you, because of your subscribe and your like and your comments, everything. It's helped me so much to grow up in here for Instagram, TikTok too. And thank you so much for everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up do you like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.